I'm right here. Okay, hi.
That's it. This is hella scary.
Wait, rotate! Wait!
Hot.
Stop it! Wait! Broski, wait. Okay, I'm here. Okay, I'm gonna, oh wait, I should probably put you on. Okay, I'm gonna be, hosting this gameplay.
Oh my god, hell no.
What?
Oh, come over here, bro.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna get jump scared. Or there's something in here that's chasing us.
Yeah.
Oh wait, but you've played this.
Oh, there's something right here. Wait. What the hell?
Rah! That's kind of cool. Rah! Oh look, it's a door. It's a door.
Oh, hell no.
Oh look, it's a. Where are you? Hazen, are you okay with me calling you Hazen?
What's that noise? What? What? Wow.
Are you okay with your name being on here?
My name?
Yeah, being on the video.
Yeah.
Okay. I need a crowbar. Bruh, that's actually kind of good. How do you just know that you need a crowbar?
No.
Please.
I saw something.
What did you see?
It was like a tall, weird black figure with white hands.
I wonder. That's so weird, bro. Well, okay. Ta-da! My phone. Okay.
Where did you go?
Hazen.
Hey, there's something coming up behind you. Bro, that was so cringe.
I didn't even look. I just trusted you.
Oh, okay, what's the code?
Okay, wait. Hold on to your lantern.
What's the first letter? What, you did it?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Nice.
Oh, it's a crowbar!
Oh, Cam, what do I do?
Grab your lantern. I have the crowbar. You grab your lantern.
No.
Did you see that?
Oh. See what?
No, I didn't see anything. I was just tripping.
Oh, wait. It's right there, bro. Oh, there's something right here.
So no.
Okay.
I would like to be your friend.
Yeah, man.
I would be her friend. That would be pretty cool to be friends with a witch or something like that. Yeah. Really. Hey, where are you? Hey, what? I see it. No, I was like, no, hell no. You the same? You the same? No, I see it the same. Okay, so it's the same. Yeah. Hey, sir. I'll show you how. Wait for me. No. I got the safe spot. Why do you get the safe spot? Bro, I'm chasing. I'm already beating here. I'm already beating here. Wait, he's in.
I found some stuff. It's upside down.
I'm back at the safe spot. I'm back at the safe spot.
I'm trapped in here.
I'm back at the safe spot, bro. There's nothing I can shoot. Bro, I'm at the safe spot.
I can't go.
And I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Hazen, I'm stuck. Hazen, I'm stuck. Oh wait, not anymore. No. No.
Oh, it stopped. Come on, let's go.
Bro, why did they have to have the heartbeat, bro?
It might stop, Cam. Come on.
I know. My heart's beating.
Come on, let's go this way. Are you sure? Cam,
Yeah?
do you hear that?
Yes?
Oh, no, it's just the water. That's just the water.
Do you
It's really loud.
Stop. We're about to get jump scared.
I know. And when the spirits align, offer a blade to continue your path to life will live.
Go to the lights. There's like a protective barrier. There's like a protective barrier right next to the trees. So she was like chasing me, and I was right next to the trees, but then I got stuck in the protective barrier.
Look, so there's this. But these are spirits, and it says when the spirits align.
So we have to like do something? Oh! Look, if we click on them, they move.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. Wait, here, I got this.
Okay.
What? Send it.
Okay, we got the blade.
She's right here.
Look.
Hot. Oh! We're in. Where the hell are we?
What is this?
Why is it my... Oh! Lanterns work!
For what?
For light.
I don't like the lantern.
Haze.
Let's go for your mom. Oh, it's this.
Aw, hell.
Oh.
It's a spider!
To all those butterflies you sacrificed for us.
We literally did 3, bro. 3. 3 butterflies.
Oh my god.
We're sorry,
I didn't wonder, and I didn't really need to.
blade. Should I place my blade?
The seal tree holds many secrets.
I mean, we shouldn't be able to climb up it unless.
Maybe one more step. 10.
There's something up here.
What are you doing then? You're gonna find the next one?
There's something up here. There's a spirit. There's a spirit on the tree. Rosie, look.
Are you trying to join that?
Rosie, look.
Look.
She's gonna kill us. We're sorry. Let's send it. Oh. Well, it's not like we had a choice, bro. It's not like the game would let us. I wouldn't sacrifice it if I had a choice. Bruh.
My dad's trying to join us.
Bro, he can't.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he can't. Dad, you can't.
There's merch!
What?
I want it.
You kidding me? How do we get it? How do we get it?
It's only $5, bro! I mean, 5 Robux.
I don't have any Robux.
I can afford it, but I won't be able to give it to you.
Wait, how do you know it's only 5?
Because I clicked on it, bro.
Hot.
You know what? I'll get it just to be a memory.
Hot.
Should I?
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. I wonder if they'll like give me something because I bought it.
There's another chapter.
There is? Is this the end of the chapter? Because that was a really short chapter, bro. Oh, play.
No,
I don't have a blade.
We need a key.
We need a blade.
Cut what out?
Oh my god, come here.
What?
We placed the rose here. We placed the corrupted here.
I found the blade.
You did?
Yes.
Blade there. What do we do?
Probably unlock that scary door. Let's go check it
Oh,
out.
hell no. Imagine the door's open.
Oh my god.
Hell no.
Dad.
Yep.
Did you see how scary that was, bro?
We're almost done with this chapter. There's blood. Am I pretty? You are so pretty, bro. She is so pretty.
I know.
Why is she even asking that question, bro? She's so fine. What do we have to place here? Corrupted. Do we have to find
Oh,
another?
I got a question.
You do? Place it.
Oh wait, no, but it won't let me place it.
Oh man, we have to find another.
Yeah.
Let's go! We're safe! We're safe! Let's go! I'm back where you found her. This is so good, bro.
I know, bro.
This is why you can't jump in
There's a
this game.
cabinet. I didn't know there was cabinets. So
You can open the cabinets?
yeah, and you can hide in them.
Oh, where? Like indoors?
Yeah, there's a cabinet, like right over here. Come here.
Where are you?
Come back. No, behind me. I'll show you where your cabinet is. There's a cabinet right here. Look here. Come! Bro!
Wait, can 2 people be in here?
Okay, come. So there's a bunch of bells we have to find.
Wait, hold on, broski, come here. Come here.
And so if you find the bell, like, make it ring, like, interact with it.
Why?
Because it turns black, and I'm pretty sure that we have to ring it over the bell. Where's her spirit?
Where is she?
She's literally still stuck.
Oh, okay. You're a murderer. You are a murderer. You goofy all. Delicious.
Where is that?
Hell no.
I don't think you can join us right now.
Is this the end of chapter 3? Oh! Is this a backstory? Nope, that's not. That's pretty hot.
I know, right? Okay, I got a key.
Delicious. Can we turn on the TV? No.
Wait, this is the same thing.
It's a sink. What?
Cam?
What? We're gonna get chased.
I know. Go, 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 go. Literally run. Literally.
I think that's the end. Hell no! 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 Not the spider again, please! I thought we were done with you! I thought we were done with you! I thought we were done with you! I have severe arachnophobia. I can't do this. Why isn't my lantern? Oh, there. Wait, there are lights again. I'm dead. Wait, the lights don't protect us. The lights don't protect us, bro. Because there's one track that she does, and she goes like through a light, and she got me. My doggo. Paw. Paw. Did you die? Yeah. Welcome. So like, don't let her booty hole touch you. Basically, that's the moral of the story. Because it gives damage. It takes away.
It's the model from Ohio.
We need to solve those goofy off pillars.
She's literally the model from Ohio.
Wait, I gotta look her up. I gotta look that thing up. I haven't seen it yet. But everyone's talking about it.